Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new tutorial series. In this series we're gonna be developing a game by using Java Eclipse. I already have a Java game developed by me, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to build exact same thing. So let me show you guys what I've done here, and this is what my game looks like. So I'm gonna be build something like that again, but this time around it's gonna be a bit different. Close to this. Something like that. So in today's part, we're gonna be just building this opening image part, nothing else. So let's get started. So let's start a new Java project for this. Let's give it a name, YouTube game, and we're needing a package for this. Let's give it a bubble shoot. I don't know, it's a bubble shooter. Let's say shoot ghosts. That should be the name of our game. Well, that rhymes, name of our game. Anyway, now I have the images and the sounds already. I have collected these from the internet, and I have a set of all of these here. So I'm going to use these two things, images and sounds, in my project. So what you do is you collect your resources of images and sound. I'm not gonna be building sprites, I'm gonna be using images as my objects. So collect your images and sounds and paste it in your, like, what's my project? It's YouTube game. So go in there and paste your sources here, images and sounds. We're going to be using throughout the tutorial, we're going to be using these things. So I have put these sounds and images within my project folder. So now get back to work. I'll be opening a class. I should name this home, or maybe opening window. You can name it anything. So it's gonna be a panel, so I will be extending a J panel. So it's gonna be an error here. I need to import the J panel, and now I'm gonna use a paint method and a constructor today. That will be pretty much it. So let's build a constructor. Opening window. But first, let's write the paint method, public void paint. In the paint method, the parameter is the main thing, graphics G. This graphics thing will allow us to draw, and now I need to import the graphics. So now you can use buffered image or image file to draw the image, but I'm gonna be using image icon for some reason. I don't know, it's simpler to me, but it's easy. Also, it's easy to use the image using file, to draw the image file. Anyway, so image icon, I'd say it's the background. So just give the variable name like background, and image icon equals to new image icon. Now the parameter here is a string which will indicate the location of the image that it wants to draw. So it's in the images folder. So I'm gonna write images double slashes, and then I'm gonna be using the name of this one. So it's properties, so it's opening image and it's a .png file. So I'm gonna be pasting it here, .png file, and as you can see it's not an error, it wants me to import the image icon and the error is gone. So now just draw the image, draw image. So first parameter is the image itself, and as you can see its background is an image icon, it's not an image. So I need to get the image from the image icon, so I will have to use the dot get image method. Now 0 0, now these are x-axis and y-axis. I want the image to be drawn from the very beginning of the window, so that's why I'm giving 0 0. And then the fourth parameter is image observer. If you're using a JFrame, you might use this, but for me it's gonna be null. I'm gonna be setting it to null, and that's it from for the painting part. Now I've painted the panel. Now I need a frame where I can add this panel. So let's build a frame. JFrame window equals to new JFrame, and I have to import JFrame, and now I have to add the panel to this frame. So I need to window.add, and I need to add the panel here. So I just have to write this. What basically I've done, I have added this panel, which is represented by this here, to the window. Now if just to show you guys, window dot set visible true, and window dot set size. And now this is not a tricky part. You need to know the dimensions. 978 by into 550. So I have to set the size to exactly that 978. Anyway, 978 into 550. Now you can resize your image according to your need. Okay. So now just to show what I've done, I'll need a main function. So I'll okay, another class with the main function. It's a main of game, and I'm gonna be just initializing the class, opening window OW here, new opening window yeah, let's run this and see if okay. So basically it was not it shouldn't have the sound. I haven't added the sound yet. Maybe it's running something from the previous session. Let's sort this out. So now if I run this now, it was actually from the previous session. So now I've just painted the image over this frame, and now what I want to do is I don't want to see this title bar, because it bothers me, and it doesn't look good. So what I'm gonna do is window dot set undecorated. I'm gonna set this to true. So now you'll see that it's the title bar is gone. So I have to close the game. Now you might be thinking how the people's gonna close out the game. Don't worry, there will be the other way around. And I'm gonna set the location of this. I want this to be 50-50. What it means, 50 x-axis and 50 y-axis should appear around right here. So again, let's run this and see what happens. Yeah, it's kind of like here. You can drag it even further. And now what I need is the sound section. So for the sound section, I would be using audio input stream, which will give me an audio input stream using audio system class dot get audio input stream. Now here it takes a file as a parameter. I'll first import the input stream. So I'll be needing a file. Yeah, it's error here because it needs a file and also it needs to be imported anyway. So it needs a file here as an input, so I will need a file. So for the file I would need to surround it with a try catch, and everything should go under the try catch actually. So catch exception E, sys out Control E. So now I'm gonna be opening a file named sound equals to new file, and the parameter here will be a string which indicates the location of our sound. Now I'm gonna be using the opening sound, this one, so like this one. So it's a opening sound and its properties is .wav, and it's in my sounds folder. So what I'm gonna be doing, oh, it's running still. What I'm gonna be doing is I have to first write the folder name, then sound / opening sound.wav. Now I need to import the file again, so it's imported here, and now I'm gonna be giving the sound, the file, as a parameter here. So after that I need a clip for playing this. Again, it should be imported. Clip equals to audio system dot get clip. Again, there's the error. It wants me to import the clip. I need to open the clip, and the clip opens our audio input stream file that is already here. That's audio input stream, my variable name AIS, and it is reading out the sound file that is the file I want to play. So here's the AIS, and now I want to start the audio. So that's basically, I don't know why the video recorder is not showing the time. I don't know why, but I need to know how much am I doing it a lengthy tutorial or not. Anyway, so that's basically it for today. I'm gonna show you that now it is with the so you can see it's here with the opening image, and I have to cross it out. So the next day I'll be doing the next window I mean I'm gonna be using the buttons on that day, and maybe no, I am gonna go to the gaming logic right away. I'm still gonna be doing the designing stuff. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Till then, goodbye.